Recovery from grief is possible. I always want to remind people of this message. That's why I updated the name of my newsletter to Finding Recovery from Grief. I was very recently asked if recovery from grief is even possible, or if we just live forever with that grief. Yes, recovery is possible, and it is wonderful, and it is transformational. The Grief Recovery Handbook, here it is, will walk you through how to do it. And if you want to work with a certified specialist to help you complete all those steps, that's what I do. That's what I offer. And I'll provide a link to my upcoming schedule. And I'm always happy to work with people one-on-one. So please don't hesitate to reach out.